on the ground.
Stock number 4-101J. It's a 1992 K1500. 305 V8, not the 350. Automatic, 4-wheel drive. We had it running for about a half an hour or so a little bit ago. We found out that the alternator's junk is running on constant loss. But the motor's nice. The motor's really nice. Transmission lift tested fine. 4-wheel drive, all that stuff. Did not overheat, no fluid transfers, no knocks, no noises, no smoke. The usual. And we got yeah, 157 to 541. And there's yeah, no engine light or anything either, just a brake light because there's no brakes. All right. Looks like it's pretty good.